We are beating the heck out of our rear shocks on our Toyota, and these things aren't cheap. We need a way to protect them.
Now there are rings that you can get to put on here that just protect the bolt head, but we definitely need more protection than what they offer.
These are what we're going to use. They're from FJToyman Off-Road. We put a link to them in the video description.
This is why we really like the smaller manufacturers of specialty parts like this. People who wheel their rigs hard, find a problem, come up with a solution, then make it available to the rest of us.
By big company standards, these would be considered way overbuilt. They would likely maximize the profits by not having the metal as thick, not having this bolt securing the back, and likely just put on a thin, cheap powder coating.
These are beefy. The skid portion is a full 1/4 of an inch thick. And this ring protecting the mounting bolt head is a full 3/4 of an inch thick. Supplied for securing the back is a grade 8 bolt and a stainless steel protective ring for it.
The powder coating is better than anything else we've had our hands on.
In fact, it's so thick and durable, beforehand we had to run this bolt in and out just to clean out the threads. Another great detail is all the edges are slightly rounded over. The biggest villain of any coating, either painted or powder coating, are sharp edges. Sharp edges will cause the coating to chip off. And before you know it, that coating around the edges will start chipping off also. All the welds are also top quality.
Installation couldn't be easier. We just have to remove the lower shock bolt. This tang goes up inside the shock mount bracket. And then I'm going to take this bolt and just put it in loosely at first. Try to catch a thread. I put some red Loctite on it. Now I can put the shock bolt back in. It too has some red Loctite on it. Now I can torque it down to factory specs. On our 4Runner, that's 72 foot-pounds. Then I can tighten this back bolt down all the way. These are going to work out perfectly. If you like this video, please hit the like button.
And we hope you consider subscribing to our channel.
Thanks for watching.
Come up with a solution and do something that I forgot.
And offer it to the rest of us.
And before you know it, what was it? Yeah, exactly.
We are beating the heck out of our rear shocks on our Toyota.